Hello friends, my name is Malaviya and welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today I will tell you how to start speaking English. Okay, the first step is when you start speaking English, then your body expression. Okay, most importantly, body expression. Okay, whatever you say, you have to use your hand movement. Okay, and you have to do one thing, smile. Okay, smile gives you confidence when you speak in front of public, in front of friends, in front of teachers. Okay, smile is most important tool in speaking. Okay, not only it gives you confidence you know while speaking with smile, makes your environment more comfortable in front of public, in front of friends. Okay, and people will attract with your voice. Okay, so smile is the first tool. Next thing is breathe. When you speak, breathing is the most important task. When you're breathing, then you can speak without any hesitation, without any problem. So breathing is the most important thing. So smile and breathing, these are two most important things when you speak in front of people, in front of friends. Next thing is when you memorize the vocab, not only you have to memorize the words, you have to memorize example also. When you memorize vocab words with examples, then you can easily keep that thing in your mind. So in this way, when you speak in front of public, in front of friend, in front of teachers, in general conversation, you can use the word perfectly. Next thing, listen to learn. This is the most important thing. Before speaking, you have to be a good listener. Okay, when you are a good listener, then you can use perfect grammar, you can use perfect words, you can use perfect tenses, everything you can use. So from where will you learn? You can learn from radio, you can learn from television, you can learn from newspaper, and you can learn from native speakers. Okay, there are so many medias from where you can you know listen these things, and you can improve your English. Next thing is exercise your mouth muscles. Most of the time, you know what you have to say, you know what is the reply of particular answer, you know everything, but you cannot speak perfectly. Why? Because you did not practice about that word. So you have to practice, you have to exercise your mouth muscles. Okay, you have to speak that word loudly, you have to speak that sentence loudly. In this way you can you know become good English speaker. Next thing, copy a native speaker. How will you copy? You can copy from various Hollywood movies, you can copy from various Hollywood celebrities, you can watch British channel, you can watch US channel. There are so many things. By using that thing, you can copy a native speakers. Why I'm telling you this? Because when you copy native speaker, then you can learn the accent of speaking, how to speak English. Okay, so these are few things you have to keep in mind, and you can start speaking your language. Okay, today we are talking about speaking English. So these are few factors you have to keep in mind, and you can learn English easily. Okay, so if you like our video, then please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon so you can get latest notification of our video. So thank you for watching.